Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunki and welcome to the Web Application Penetration Testing and Secure Coding. This is the video number 28 and in this video we will continue to see cookies. Let's see the program which we use to create a cookie. So PHP starts with this, ends with this. After that we created a variable cookie name, we gave the value user. After that we created another variable cookie value, we gave the value Vikram. Then cookie expire and we give the value time plus 1800. So time function gives us the current time and we add 1800 seconds into it. So that means the cookie will expire after 30 minutes. After that we set the cookie path to the slash and using those variables we created a cookie. So let's see this program in action once again. So this is a program running inside a Ubuntu machine. Now let's go to our Kali machine. Okay, so we want to visit this URL vulnerable.app/cookies1/index.php. Let's click enter. I have configured the burp, so the request is currently inside the burp. Okay, let's click on forward and as we can see server uses set cookie to set the cookie. So the cookie name is user, value is Vikram, it will expire after this time and it has the path slash. Let's click on the forward and now cookie is installed inside a cookie jar of that web browser. To see that, right click on here, click on inspect element, let's go to the storage and as we can see the cookie is installed. Now let's refresh the web page again. Okay, now as we can see the cookie is sent by the browser. So as we saw in the last video, the cookie is still valid. That means it is not expired. It is valid for vulnerable.app domain and the path is set to the slash. So the browser will send the cookie along with the request. Now let's click on the forward and as we can see the server is again setting the cookie. Why? Because with every response the cookie is set by the server. Now let's modify this code and we will write a code which will only set the cookie if the cookie is not present. We will write if not it's set. Let's access the cookie using a super global cookie. So $/cookie. Inside the square bracket, let's use our cookie name variable. So cookie underscore name, open bracket, close bracket. Let's cut it, paste it here, save it. So what we are doing here, we're accessing the cookie name variable using a super global cookie, and if that cookie is not set, then only set this cookie. Is set is a default PHP function and we are using not with it. That means if the cookie is not set, then only use the set cookie function. Now let's test this code inside our Kali machine. Let's first delete this cookie and now let's refresh the web page. Let's go to the burp suite. Okay, this is a request. Let's click on the forward and now cookie is sent by the web server. Let's click on the forward. Let's go here. As we can see the cookie is set. Now let's again refresh the web page. Let's go to the burp. Now cookie is sent because the cookie is valid. Let's click on the forward. So as we can see in the response, the server is not setting the cookie because cookie is already set. Now let's once again see the modified program. So our PHP code starts with this, ends with this. After that we created a cookie name variable. We gave the value user. Then cookie value variable, we give the value Vikram. Then cookie expire. Then cookie path. Now we want to check if the cookie name is set or not. So for that we use built-in PHP function it's set. We are checking if the cookie is not set and we are accessing the cookie name using super global $_cookie. Then we will check if this cookie name, that means user cookie, is set or not, and if it is not set then only set the cookie. Let's see how to read cookie value. So we are inside our web root, that is /opt/lamp/htdocs, and we are inside our project, that is cookies1. Now let's create another file, read cookie. Sudo touch read _cookie.php, give your password. Let's check the file. Okay, we have created the file. Now let's write some code using Sublime Text. Now let's create a new variable and store cookie value inside it. Okay, so cookie value equals $_cookie in the square bracket cookie name, that is user, semicolon. Okay, now we are using _/cookie, that is a PHP super global, to access the cookies, and we know the cookie name is user, so we want to get the value of a cookie user. Now let's print that value using echo. So echo cookie underscore value semicolon end PHP. Now let's test this code using our Kali machine. Now let's go to the vulnerable.app/cookies1/read_cookie.php. Press enter, and as we can see, the cookie value Vikram is printed on the screen. Let's check the value. So inspect element, storage, and as we can see, the cookie name is user and the value is Vikram. Now once again, let's see how to read a cookie value. PHP code starts with this, ends with this. So we are saving the cookie value from cookie user inside a cookie underscore value variable. So $_cookie is a super global which will give access to all the cookies, and we know the cookie name, that is a user. So using this we can get the value of a cookie, and after that we are printing the cookie value. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any doubts, any questions, then leave them in the comment box below. Thank you.